Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm here with the new MAC Studio Radiance Foundation. I was so excited to see this foundation. I don't know when last I bought something from MAC. Anyway, so this is their Studio Radiance Foundation. As you guys know, fixed fluid will always be in my top favorite foundations of all time. Anyway, so this foundation retails for $46, a little pricey, and has a total of 48 shades. So the basic claim is that it's a buildable, weightless, 24-hour hydrating foundation that smooths texture, evens tones, and blurs the look of pores. There's a whole bunch of other stuff. I'm going to have it linked in the description box. Now, I have the shade NC50. I purchased online. I know my shade in MAC has always been NC50, so I just went with NC50, but if you're new to MAC, NC50 is described as dark, deep espresso with rich undertones for deep, dark skin. All right. So I moisturize and I have sunscreen on, but I'm going to go in with strobe cream before I start. And I can do like a full face and do concealer and all that stuff today because my son is here and he's asleep now. So that's why I'm trying to do this now. All right. So I'm going in with strobe cream in Gold Light. And like I said, my skin has been so dry. If you watch my House Labs concealer review, I talked about how dry my skin has been. And don't sleep on strobe cream. It's so good, especially the tinted ones. So good, so pretty. And this one has like a nice little pop. All right, so this is what the packaging looks like. Typical MAC packaging, but what I like about this one, this has a pump because fixed fluid does not have a pump. I haven't swatched this, so I hope they haven't like tinkered with the shade because I've worn NC50 from MAC for years now. So I just want to make sure the shade is the same. Okay, looks about the same. So why do I always swatch like this? So this is what the shade looks like. Very pretty. So let's go ahead and try this. It feels really nice. All right, so let's do 2.5 pumps and get this on. Let's do one side first. Oh, it does have a radiance to it. Right now, that's like a medium coverage. It's pretty. It feels like so silky. And I didn't color correct my hyperpigmentation in my laugh lines because I want to see how the coverage is. So far, oh wow. This is really radiant, right? And my dry skin is probably gonna suck it up in the next few minutes. So I put another pump. This has a beautiful finish so far. I don't know how this is gonna wear 24 hours. That's what they claim, but oh, I'm just gonna put the rest. Okay, so right now it's looking really, really radiant, and I'm here for this. I'm here for all of this radiance. Wow. Wow. Super pretty. You guys are seeing for yourself. They weren't playing when they said radiant. Wow. If you have oily skin or normal skin, I don't think, like I put on strobe cream, but you probably wouldn't need anything like that. But this is what the foundation is looking like. Blend it out. This is really pretty on the skin so far. Wow. I'm thinking, do I even want to powder this? But I have to, but this looks really good. All right, so like I said, I can't do concealer and all that stuff on camera today because I don't want my son to get up. So I'm going to put concealer and I'm going to come back. But oh, let's check the time. It's 8:44 a.m. So I'm going to go in with concealer and I'll be right back. And then I'll finish up the rest of my face. Alright guys, so this is it blended out with concealer. I used my Tower 28 concealer that I love. I don't want to go into it too much because I'm hoping to do like a little mini review of it on my channel. But so far this is a beautiful, something is on my face is driving me crazy. This is a beautiful foundation. You can see for yourself. Look at that. It's radiant. So anyway, I'm going to go finish up the rest of my makeup because like I said, I don't have much time today, and I'll come back with my face done and I'll have more thoughts. But right now, this is a 10 out of 10 finish, how it looks on my skin. I think my skin looks really beautiful with this foundation. All right. I'm back with the rest of my makeup, girl. When I tell you this foundation is pretty, this foundation is so beautiful. Look at me. I feel like 16 again. Look at my skin. This is a dry skin girl's just dream. Oh, this foundation is beautiful. I just hope it wears beautifully because it says 24 hours. Of course, I'm not going to keep it for 24 hours, but look at my skin. MAC. See? I'm always going to be a MAC girl. I don't care. I'm going to always be a MAC girl. Studio Radiance Foundation. First impressions, 20 out of 10. This is beautiful. Look at my skin. I set it with my hourglass powder, and I want to do like a whole separate video of like using all the products that I like. So I don't want to talk too much about the hourglass powder because I want to use it on camera, but I don't even want to shut off the camera to go do my wear test. I want to sit here so you guys can just see it. My skin looks so supple. This is so good, guys. All right, so I'm gonna go do my wear test and I'll be back later on with my final thoughts. But for right now, this is exquisite, beautiful, beautiful foundation. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Hey guys, so I'm back for my final check-in. It is now 5:23 p.m. in the afternoon. I put this on about 8:20 something, so it's been around 9 hours since I've been wearing this foundation, and to me it just looks fantastic. It is so beautiful, guys. But what I would say, if you have oily skin, I don't know if this foundation will work for you because I have very dry skin, so my skin just sucks up anything that's radiant. So it works perfectly for me. And as you can see, I think my face and skin just looks flawless. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful foundation. Really, really beautiful. At least in my opinion. I haven't watched any reviews. As you can see, I look a little shiny here and on my nose, but that's just fine. It's not like greasy. It just looks like dewy, and you know, mix it with my oils and everything. I love this foundation so much. And this year I hadn't been purchasing any makeup, especially foundation. The only two foundations I purchased was the Makeup by Mario and that Apple KVD Apple foundation. I wasn't a fan of either. So for me, for this year, this is the best foundation I've purchased. It's really, really beautiful, guys. I highly recommend this foundation. I'm so happy with it. If you're my shade twin, NC50 would be perfect for you. It has a beautiful golden undertone. I just love the way my skin looks. I really hope it's coming off on camera. The way it's looking in person, it looks, I have this healthy glow to my skin. This is a beautiful foundation, guys. I highly recommend it. And if you've never tried MAC before, I think this would be a great time to try MAC, because I know a lot of people have, you know, I've heard, oh, I've never had any complexion products from MAC. I think this would be a good time for you to try. This foundation is really beautiful, especially if you have dry skin or maybe normal skin. I'm not sure about oily skin, or if you have oily skin, you have to do a lot of like maybe powdering and retouching. during the day, but this is, oh, I love this. This is like my new fave right now. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more because I have a couple of more videos lined up. I'm trying to, you know, catch up. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.